हरिः कन्ना।
Next, a bar graph is in our pipeline. So bar graph is one of the most fundamental chart types, is our bar chart, and one of our most useful tools when it comes to exploring and understanding our data. So now the question arises, what is a bar graph or bar chart or bar plot? A bar chart, also known as a bar graph or column chart, plots a numeric values for levels of a categorical feature as bars. Levels are plotted on one chart axis and values are plotted on another axis. Each categorical value claims one bar and the length of each bar corresponds to the bar's value. Bars are plotted on a common baseline to allow for easy comparison of values. And the best example that you can see on your screen, the length of the each bar corresponds to the bar's value, and each categorical value claims one bar. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have eight categories, and length of each bar corresponds to the bar value. So the example that you see on the screen uh, is what consists of almost 8 categories. Okay. The next question that arises, when you should use a bar chart. A bar chart is used when you want to show a distribution of data points or perform a comparison of metric values across different subgroups of your data. From a bar chart, we can see which groups are highest or most common and how other groups compare against the others. So since this is a fairly common task, bar charts are fairly ubiquitous chart type. So there are different types of bar graphs, so that we will look. But before that, we just wanna take one example. Okay, we'll create one bar graph and see how things work. So let's get into our Jupyter notebook editor to make our bar graph. So bar of x comma height. Okay, this is our bar graph or bar chart. So as usual, we will check the data. I'm going to check this, the first one, and a random dot seed of 3. This I'm going to check, but x and y values are going to be changed. But so x values, x is equals to 0.5 plus np dot a range of just 8 elements. That's our x. If you just want to see np dot 0.5, okay, and if you want to see what is x for us, it's print x, and this is what from 0.5 till 7.5. So that's what is our x. Then we'll go for the y is equals to np dot random dot uniform of 2 comma 7 comma len of x, and I'm gonna print y and see what we got, and this is what the y 4.75, 5.54 till 3.03. Okay, so our data is ready. Now it's time to plot a bar graph. So let's plot a bar graph. So let me take fig x is equals to plt dot subplots and x dot, this time I'm going to use bar method, and bar of will see kx comma y comma width. I'm going to go with width of 1, and the edge color white, and line width I'll go with 0.7. I think almost done. So now to view it, I'll say PLT. Okay, let's see, before putting the limits, let me execute it. And here is your bar graph, looking absolutely brilliant with the white edge color, the white edge color, and then you have a line width, and it has taken the default blue color for the face. Okay, line width is 0.7. So now what I'm going to do is I'll attach x dot set of all the limits. Okay, simply I'm going to take the same one because last time we are using the same, spite of creating this again. And here is that. So properly, so limited the x-axis till 1 to 7, and then y-axis is also 1 to 7, and here is your bar graph that you can see on your screen. So we have the 7 categories, and each category holds a single bar, and each bar, the height of the each bar represents the value of that specific category.